Yan ang ating perfect pat krapaw. The egg, of course. Ooh. Hi guys! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng pat krapaw. Alam niyo ba, itong pat krapaw isa sa pinakamasarap na dish ng Thailand. At ito yung kanilang key ingredient na basil. So ito yung whole Thai basil. And of course, we have our pork, chili, shallots, and garlic. Yun lang, yung kanilang ingredients. Tara, luto na tayo. Oil. Tapos ilagay natin yung tapos ilagay na natin yung ating ground pork. Lalagay ako ng konting soy sauce. Konti lang kasi yung soy sauce nila dito sa Thailand is masyadong maalat. So yan lang is okay na. Tapos, ano na, yung dito this. Then, stir-fry na natin. Sige. Dark soy sauce na wala naman siyang masyadong taste, pero ganyan yung kanyang kulay. Look at that. Siyempre, ito na yung ating nalutong pat krapaw. Ilalagay na natin on top of our rice. See? Just like that. Or you can put it on the side. Oh, more here. Ating pat krapaw kung wala siyang egg on top. At yan ang ating perfect pat krapaw. Tikman na natin. The egg, of course. Ooh. Try nyo. Masarap.